In the last video, I showed you how to make a command's behavior. In this video, I want to show you how to make groups or command groups. And what are the groups, or why do we have them? Well, let's say you want a similar named method for different things in your game, like for example, inventory space. Let's say you want to query inventory space. Well, it could be the bank inventory, or it could be the inventory on your person, or it could be the inventory of your pet, or many different options. So when we organize our commands into groups, we can reuse the same command text within a different group. So we have this YouTube group we did here. Now if I want to create a command group, all I need to do is type in cmd group and then the name of the group. So let's say I want this group to be YouTube tests. Okay, then the same thing with the command. A group can have a description. Now I would make sure that I would try to only set the description once, unless you're using a constant that you can throw in every one, because when it loads the groups, the latest command it loads, it will take the description unless it's null. So it'll keep updating the description unless it's null. So you can either just have one command where you give the actual group description, or you can use a, like I said, a constant or something that you can pass to all of the different groups. Alright, so let's say I have my description here. This group is for commands that are tested on YouTube. Okay. So yeah, it's as easy as that to create groups. If you only have it on a single method like here, it's going to only add this method to this group. But you can also place the attribute on top of the class name, and then all the commands within this class will have this group. So you can do it either way, but we'll go ahead and go back to Unity. And if we hit play, if we try run our YouTube command, it won't work anymore. So /YouTube space blah blah blah, it's not gonna work. It's within the group, so YouTube tests, then a space, then the command YouTube, then blah blah blah, and then it will execute the command. Alright, that's it for this video. In the next video, I'll show you how to create command aliases.